Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show and discuss how we check element is displayed or not, right? Like you can see here, I am getting the enabled one button. This button is enabled, right? We can enable means this we can see, but other element like download, back to jQuery, PDF, CSV, Excel, all these are not displayed. When we mouse over, then these are displayed on the UI. So how we make sure how we need to check the element is disabled, element is displayed or not. So in that case, now let's see how we handle this in Selenium WebDriver using Python. So like this is the enable buttons, right? So let's capture the ID of this. So this is the, it has one like li, and this it has id ui id -3. Copy this, go to the code, use the driver dot find element by dot id. Okay, it will return the web element object. So let's store in element 1, and then we have a method here, element dot is displayed. Each displayed method basically it will check element is visible for the user or not, whether the element is visible to the user, right? If element is visible, then it will return the true. If the element is not visible, it will return the false. So let me print and show you. So this is the first element, and if I run the code, you will see it will give us the true because UI under -id -3, this is the id, this is locator of enable button, and this is visible for the user. So now let me run and you will see true. Yeah, result is coming here true. Okay, let me try other element which is not visible, like here download is not visible. When we mouse over, then this is visible. So it says id equal to 4, ui -id -4. So let's create a locator for this now. So let me store in element 2, driver dot find element by dot id. Okay, print this element 2. Here we will get false. Why? Because the element is not visible. So let me run the test. Yeah, giving the false. We can try also other element, like here back to jQuery button is there. This it has UI ID 8. So let me again store in element 3, and let's print the element 3 value. It's displayed. Going to run. So you will see for the both remaining methods we will get false. Okay, false is printed for both cases. So this method is very useful when we are checking the element is enabled or not, and based on the those we are going to perform any action, anything, right? So suppose that here we need to also verify these two buttons, download and back to query, is disabled for user. When user mouse over on the enable, then it will enable, right? So in that case we can write the code to check these two elements are enabled. So we can apply here assertion, right, for this enable button. I can use assert element is displayed equal to true. So similar type for remaining two, we can verify false value. Okay, let's change this with false because these two are disabled, not displayed. True, true. This is the third one. Now let me run and you will see the result. Yes. Okay, worked. So this is displayed method is very useful when we are verifying element is displayed or not. User can see the element or not. If user can see the element, it will give us the true. If user cannot see the element, it will give us the false. Okay, thanks for watching the video and share this video to your friend, colleague, and also if you have not subscribed the channel, so please subscribe, click on bell icon so that you can get latest notification of the videos.